Chuchu Beauty is back again with another super cute collection. This one is called the Heart Collection. I have all of the products and today subukan natin sila and iswatch. Packaging as always is on brand. Sobrang cute. I mean, look at that, diba? This is the kind of product na sobrang sarap i-display and ilagay sa vanity. This one I'm holding is the Chuchu Beauty Heart Blush Duo. 299 pesos yung price nito and each compact meron siyang 7 grams. Comes with a mirror once you open it and I love it kasi heart din yung shape niya. And for this, we have total of 3 combinations. Again, this product is called Blush Duo because once you open it, you have 2 colors of blushes inside. And what's good about this kind of blush is that aside from using them individually, pwedeng nyo din ipag-mix for a custom color. So excited, so mag-swatch naman tayo. Texture for me is okay. It's not super smooth, pero hindi rin naman siya gritty. And guys, look at that pigment. This one I'm holding is called Pretty Betty. Shade on the left is Pretty and yung shades right is Betty. This one is Pretty, this one is Betty, and this one is them combined, Pretty Betty. Next up is called Miss Dolly. Left shade is Miss and right shade is Dolly. This one is Miss, this one is Dolly, and this one is them combined called Miss Dolly. And finally, we have this one which is called Dear Lily. Left shade is called Dear and yung nasa right is Lily. This one is Dear, this one is Lily, and of course, this third shade is called Dear Lily. These are the complete swatches. For my right cheek, I'm gonna be using Pretty Betty. And mag-start tayo kay Pretty. Very minimal lang yung fallout niya. And I feel like yung reason is because nung tinouch ko siya, parang sobrang pressed nung product. Which is good kasi of course, hindi siya messy gamitin and makokontrol nyo siya. Again, this one is yung shade na Pretty. It's pigmented. But guys, look at the color. Grabe. Sobrang perfect ngayong summer. And also, medyo kakapalan ko nga pala ha, para mas visible siya. Color-wise, I am very happy with this shade. And sobrang perfect nung name niya na Pretty because it looks so pretty. It's very easy to blend naman. It doesn't look patchy on the skin. Very pigmented as well. So you have to be careful and light-handed. Magsimula muna kayo sa konti tapos i-build up nyo na lang. I love this color already. This time, i-layer naman natin si Betty. Ooh, mas naging bright yung color niya. Ayan, side view ako so that you guys can see. Still looks nice. Great for summer kasi it gives you that pop of color sa cheeks, diba? But eto talagang shade na Pretty. Grabe, sobrang on point. I'm very sure na marami sa inyo magiging curious how this one will look like on the skin. Kaya eto yung subukan nating next. And again, this one is called Miss Dolly. I'm gonna start with the shade Miss, which reminds me so much of that popular Miss Dior blush. Yung parang bubblegummy pink. And let's see kung maganda. Not gonna lie, this shade is like out of my comfort zone. You know, my shade. But you know what? This is actually nice. It is not as intense as I thought this color will be. And look at that shade, diba? Parang ang lakas niya makaaliwalas ng face. This time, eto namang si Dolly yung subukan natin. Same kanina, ili-layer lang natin on top. And this is how it looks like once layered. So basically, parang naging mauve yung color niya. It's not as bright na compared kanina. Mas naging muted. Yeah, this one is a nice shade. Left side again is Miss Dolly and right side is Pretty Betty. Both of them are super fun and nice, but personally, etong Pretty Betty yung number 1 ko. This one I'm holding is Chuchu Beauty's Moisturizing Heart Lip Balm. 6 yung shades na meron dito. It is 199 pesos and each pot meron siyang 2 grams. This packaging, oh my god, is so freaking cute. I love how tiny it is kasi perfect for small bags, sa bulsa, okay na okay din. Definitely my kind of product kasi it doesn't take up so much space. This is how it looks like once you open it. And look guys, yung mirror ng heart, grabe, sobrang cute. Highly appreciate the fact that even though super liit itong product, nag-effort pa din silang maglagay ng salamin. Very emollient, super creamy. Actually, parang siya nagme-melt kapag sinwatch. And meron siyang color guys. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Wow, this is such a nice shade. Scent-wise, very fruity. Parang siyang watermelon. These are the complete swatches. On my lips right now is this one which is called Milky Latte. Definitely my kind of MLBB. On my lips naman this time is Brown Sugar. For this, perfect naman siya if you love that very warm brownish shades. This one is Coral Flush and you guys probably already know na hindi ako mahilig sa mga orangey shade kaya this one for me is just an okay shade. It's actually pretty, look at that, but yun nga, hindi siya for me. This one, and on my lips, is Tangerine Kiss. Another shade that is too bright for my liking, but if you love tangerine or oranges, then this might be for you. Again, color preference lang, but formula-wise, very consistent. This one is Baby Mauve, and right off the bat, one of my favorites. Sobrang ganda, diba? Makes the lips very kissable, plump, and juicy. And lastly, we have this one, which is called Rose Addict. Another shade which I love kasi ang lakas maka-fresh ng lips and kissable. And let's be honest, you can never go wrong with this kind of shade. Overall, very happy dito sa Chu Chu Beauty Heart Balm. It is hydrating, moisturizing, color is buildable, nag-iwan siya ng subtle stain. Pwede nyo siyang gamitin ng sheer, pwede nyo i-build up. And also, pwede nyo din siyang pang-prep ng lips, especially kapag kagagamit kayo ng matte lipstick. Very, very happy with this collection kasi aside sa super cute packaging, ang fun din gamitin. And the quality of the product itself, maganda siya. Hindi lang sa packaging cute, hindi lang siya novelty, talagang magagamit nyo siya and masarap siyang gamitin. Para naman sa mga favorites ko, definitely sa blushes, etong number 1 ko is si Pretty Betty. Dito naman sa lip balms, I have 3. First is Milky Latte, second is Baby Mauve, and yung third is itong si Rose Addict. And also, if you're planning to buy, eto nga palang mga product na to will be on sale ngayong 4/4. From 299, etong blush will be 269 pesos na lang. And for the lip balm naman, from 199, 169 pesos na lang. Kaya yun guys, if you want to get your hands on these products or kung gusto nyo silang subukan, abangan nyo na lang yung 4/4.